Okay folks, down and out with Delta Mike in Torrevieja. So last night we had some rain. Hopefully you saw that video. It was fun. Got a little bit wet. We had some the slope above the door. If the door's open, obviously the water comes down and falls in. Hey, you live and you learn. But the only other issue, it's just something nothing. It's a niggle. You see this bit of string that I assume the previous owners have put in to perhaps, I don't know, hang a lantern or something here. You see they've cut a, let's see if I can get that on the screen. You see they've got a hole either side of this this spine or rib in the top. A couple of little holes there. I'm gonna fix those now. I'm gonna just looking out. We step back through. It's been a lovely sunny day. I don't think there's rain forecast, but we said that yesterday. So I'm just going to I'm going to patch that before I think I can reach. Yeah, I can reach. I can't see the screen. Hopefully you're somewhere in the area. I can put some tape under and some tape. Some on the inside, some on the outside, and we can mitigate that. That was the only, other than the door itself, and that's just a design. I'm not going to call it a flaw. It's just a design feature. It's just a fact of the design. But I'm gonna patch that. So obviously I haven't got enough arms to record myself patching it, but we'll patch that, and if it does rain later we'll see. I'll do a follow-up just to show the results. Okay guys, that's it for now. Delta Mike out. Egregious Tina shot, zoom, there we go, and this time there she goes off into a little corner. No, oh no, yeah, there she goes under the bush. And unlike yesterday, I'll remember to zoom back out again. There you go, look at that, it's like I'm some kind of fucking expert. Okay folks, how many times do I say okay folks? That's becoming my catchphrase. A little bit of tape applied over the top on the outside. Inside's a little bit messier. I decided to keep the bit of string. I don't have a lantern or anything that I could actually suspend from there, but you know, maybe one day maybe I'll find some use. So I kept that. Patched around it. It's actually, it comes in over here. I put the first piece in and press it down. A couple of other pieces just to hold it. I don't actually have any use for it at the minute, but that doesn't mean I should remove the feature, as it were, altogether. Keep it for now. It might come in useful later. If it leaks in, if water does continue to, like yesterday, piss in and run down and drip onto things, it's probably no big deal. I mean, it's a couple of jackets that are nearby. They're not directly underneath. I think it misses slightly, or it did yesterday. A couple of jackets and an umbrella there. But no, it is what it is. We'll see the next time it rains. That's that. Delta Mike out.